In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail ads in Inbox. We're going to do this using Gmail on a desktop web browser. The idea is simple. Most of the ad style tiles you see in Gmail live inside the category tabs like promotions and social. By turning those categories off, you consolidate everything into your primary inbox and remove the space where those sponsored messages usually appear. This doesn't delete any emails, it just changes how Gmail organizes them, which greatly reduces visual clutter and ads in your inbox view. Start by going to gmail.mail.google.com. If you're prompted, sign in and make sure you're looking at your main inbox. Now look to the top right of the screen for the gear-shaped icon. That's the settings button. Click it and a quick settings panel will slide open on the right side. In that panel, find and click the option labeled See All Settings. This opens the full settings page in Gmail, which gives you access to all configuration options beyond the quick toggles. At the top of the settings page, you'll see multiple tabs. Click the one labeled Inbox. This is where Gmail controls how your inbox is laid out and which categories are displayed. In the Inbox section, locate the categories area. You'll see checkboxes for options like primary, social, promotions, and forums. To reduce or eliminate ads in your inbox view, uncheck social, uncheck promotions, and uncheck forums. Leaving only primary enabled removes those extra tabs where sponsored messages typically appear. Again, this won't erase anything. Messages that would have been sorted into those categories will simply appear in your primary inbox. If you rely on those tabs for organization, you can always come back later and re-enable them. Once you've unchecked the categories you no longer want, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will briefly reload and take you back to your inbox. You should now see only the primary tab, without the separate social, promotions, or forums tabs. This change usually removes the large card-like sponsored items that sit at the top of the promotions tab and helps keep your inbox cleaner. Keep in mind, because Gmail is a Google product, you may occasionally still see small, clearly labeled ads, but this adjustment significantly cuts down on the most intrusive placements. If you ever want to bring those categories back, just return to settings, open See All Settings, go to the inbox tab, recheck the categories you want, and save. And if you're using the mobile app, the interface looks different, but making this change on desktop will carry over to your account.